Subscribe the channel for tech related updates and press the bell icon for instant notifications. Hi, today in this video we're going to do an unboxing of Huawei's latest flagship phone, Honor 10, and we'll have a quick overview of that. My name is Rakesh and you're watching Tech Today. So this is Huawei's Honor 10 in midnight black color. In most of the videos till now we have seen only phantom blue color. Let's do the quick unboxing of this phone and see how this midnight black color looks in the hands. Without wasting any time, let's get into this video. So by the time I cut open this packet, let's see some specifications of the phone. Huawei's Honor 10 comes with octa-core high silicon 970 chipset. Here GPU is Mali G72 MP12. Android version is latest 8.1 Oreo. It comes in two variants, 64GB and 4GB RAM and 128GB and 6GB RAM. In terms of camera, it has dual shooter setup at the rear. The first lens is 16 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and second lens is monochrome sensor with 24 megapixel and 1.8 aperture. The front-facing camera is 24 megapixel with aperture size of 1/2. Battery capacity is 3400 mAh. Display size is 5.84 inches. It has IPS LCD panel. MRP mention on this box is 35,999, but at Flipkart we get it for 32,999. The design of this box has been adapted from Apple. It has literally nothing mentioned on the box, apart from Honor 10 branding and few stickers here and there. Here we get sticker for IMEI details and the color information, which is midnight black in this case. Alright, let's cut open this box and see what all we have got inside this. And here we get Huawei's Honor 10. As soon as I picked it in my hand, it appeals for a great build. We get few details about the phone behind this protective film. And here in front we get the fingerprint scanner, which is hidden behind the glass. Huawei is calling it as ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. The form factor of the phone looks excellent. Alright, let's keep this phone aside for a while and see what else we have got inside this box. Here we get the SIM ejector tool. And within this we get a back case along with some paperwork. It's a soft, clear type case. Let's keep it aside. And here we get a USB to Type-C charging and data transfer cable. And this is Huawei's quick charging adapter. So let's keep this box aside for now and have a look at the phone. So let's remove this protective film now. Isn't it wow? It gives a feeling of disco lights. This is really mesmerizing. I have never seen any phone's back this beautiful. And this phone contains glass both front and back with an aluminum frame. Here at the back of this camera we have a dual camera setup, of which one is 16 megapixel shooter and another is monochrome sensor with 24 megapixel. Both the cameras have 1.8 aperture. We have single tone flash and along with that we have AI camera branding. There is significant camera bump behind the phone. Here on the top right we get the IR blaster and mic for noise cancellation. And here at the bottom we have Type-C port, 3.5mm audio jack, speaker grills. Here on the right we have power button and volume rockers. And towards the left we have SIM tray. So let's take out the SIM tray. And it's a dual SIM phone without a micro SD card slot. So it's a metallic SIM card tray. Here in the front we get a 24 megapixel shooter, earphones and proximity sensor. We also get a notification light. Honor has ensured the safety of this device. They have given the back case and they have also installed the tempered glass on the screen. So let's put this back case on the phone and see how this phone looks. And it still looks stunning. Let's boot up this phone for the first time. It has given the haptic feedback and we have got the Honor logo. Let me quickly set up this phone for first time usage. And our phone is ready now. On the scrolling it towards right, we get the Google home page, and towards left, we get application drawer. With this, we get many inbuilt applications. Alright, let's go into settings and see the specifications of this phone. Here in storage, you can see it's a 128GB variant where we get 115GB memory free for use. Let's jump into system information. So here in this phone we get Huawei's EMUI version 8.1, Android version 8.1, RAM is 6GB, phone storage is 115GB out of 128GB. If we'll click on the Android version, you will get to know that it has Android Oreo installed. Alright, let's check out the camera interface of this phone. And as you can see, the shutter speed is quite fast. Here you can see it has many options in camera application like aperture mode, portrait mode, photo, video and more. And within more you will get so many other options including a Pro mode. Pro mode is basically a manual mode where you can control the shutter speed, ISO, white balance. You can switch between autofocus to manual focus and you can also select the metering mode. The camera also has 2x optical zoom option. So you can see the image quality here. The camera captures very sharp details. And if we tap this AI option there, you can see how the image quality changes. If you will enable the AI option, the image quality becomes slightly better and the colors look slightly punchier. The front-facing camera also has capability to click very high quality images as it has 24 megapixel camera. Here you can see some sample images clicked using this phone. So like almost all the phones in 2018 have the notch design, and Honor 10 also joins the same race. However, if you don't like this design somehow, you can hide the notch design by going into settings, and within settings you need to go into display, and here you can choose default or hide notch. Like this, you can see the notch has got hidden now. Here are the typical quick settings of Honor devices. And now comes the best part of Honor phones. You lock your phone n number of times, and every time you will unlock your phone you will get a new wallpaper. You can also customize it by putting your own photographs there. I like this feature the most on the Honor devices, and I wish the same feature should be available for my Samsung Note 8. So I hope you would have liked this video, and if you really did, please give the thumbs up, and till now if you have not subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing. You can also follow me on the Instagram. I have already given the link in the description box. Thanks for watching Tech Today.